Show them the bottle. How many of you have a bottle that sort of looks like this? How many have a bottle that has a mouth or a top that is like this? Put up your hands up. You're not going to put up 2 times. How many of you say, Doctor, my bottle is like this? Raise it and hold for them the straw. How many of you say, show the other ones, that my bottle is like this? Wow. As long as you know your bottle has this straw, put up your hand. How many of you say that, Doctor, my bottle is very executive. It looks like this. The bottle is even attached there, the cover, the what, and it has this. If you know your bottle has this thing, which is like a nozzle for a baby who is suckling the breasts of the mother. Let me see. Some people are still babies here. You cover like this. After covering like this, you do like this and you look, eh? Oh, it's nice, eh? Okay, we are going to see. How many of you say that your bottle is like that? The doctor, for me, my bottle is open. Show them. You're the one showing them. How many of you say your bottle is like this? Hey. Okay. How many of you say your bottle is like this? This bottle has an opening that is big. It is very simple to wash it. Even you can wash it. Even your mom can wash it. Even your aunt at home can wash it. When you keep their things, sometimes they take long to get spoiled. I request that we look for bottles that has a big top and an opening which can be washed. Why? Because when we don't wash bottles very well, they hide germs, they hide bacteria, and we get infection when we take juice that is contaminated. When you take water that is spoiled as mixed with germs, you get sick. I want us, all of us, to go and tell our parents that this is not a nice bottle. Why? Because sometimes it is very hard to clean this thing. When you don't clean it very well with the soap, because you can't put, sometimes it becomes hard when you are tired. Even when you finish to drink and you drink a half and you cover like this, when you come to drink again, this half has already got spoiled. The data that kept here, the waste that is here is spoiled and it can make you get sick. If you have a bottle like this, it is a nice bottle because you can clean it. People who love straws, I request that when you have such a bottle, you remove a straw because a straw can hide germs and bacteria. So remove the straw and use a normal bottle. We can cover our bottle like this. Okay? And we cover. Do you see? Let me see people who say, Doctor, me, I want my parents back for me sodas. Who say, Doctor, sodas are good, they are the ones I want. Let me see the ones who say, I want my parents back for me juice. Juice. Okay. Let me see those ones who say, I want my parents back for me water. You are lying me. Okay, hello. Now, children, let's agree. I request you to be teachers and doctors in your homes. Tell your father and your mother and your guardian that I would love to avoid artificial drinks. Artificial drinks have a lot of sugars, and you children, you ask sugar, but when the sugars are too much, they go in your brain and they confuse you. So try by all means to avoid a lot of what? Sugars. So stop sending for mommy, bring me soda, bring me honor, give me soda, give me military, give me soda, give me what? Tell mommy, get me water, get me juice, get me water, get me mushera, get me porridge. Let us learn to take local things so that we grow as healthy children. Clap for yourselves. We have agreed artificial treats, avoid them. We have agreed encourage local juice. Take water. Children, water is very healthy and it will make you to be a healthy children with sharp brains and healthy brains and excellent mind, and water is life. Water is what?